What's up guys, it's Zay here from TechBomb and welcome to the channel. What the hell was that? What's up guys, Zay here from TechBomb and welcome to another video on the channel. So I got in contact with a friend of mine, Addon from ADModz, and he is an absolute awesome PC and laptop specialist and does some really awesome and cool mods. And I wanted to display one of his mods on the channel. That's his PC mod on the channel, and thanks to him he sent a couple of pictures to me, the latest PC that he uploaded or kind of done a mod on. Well, without making you wait any further, let's jump straight into the video. So guys, there you can see he put a lot of time and effort into that PC build, and of course it's up on the Thermaltake global website, which I'll leave a link for down below so you guys can check it out. And of course if you need any work done or any mod done, and if you're in the UK, then I'll leave the contact details and the link for his website down below. And if you mention to him that you came from TechBomb, then he'll be happy to give 10% discount on any mod or work you get done from him. Well, thank you all very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.